Okay, everybody. I'm back here at the beach with my feet in the water, walking my bike over to where I've got my backpack and my shoes and socks. I'm gonna pass by over here, show you this little waterfall. Framed right, it almost looks like a real waterfall if you didn't know it was just a little small runoff coming into the sea. So I think I'm gonna leave the bike right here up against this chain link fencing. Pardon this little, there we go. There you go. Little runoff waterfall. Much cooler water than the sea. It's not cold, just feels good. That water's a beautiful color once you get past where the sand is getting kicked up. It feels good to be in water. This is actually the first time I have been in water since I've been in Panama, since I've been here in Bocas del Toro. I think I'll walk over here, get closer to where the water's breaking on that rock. This would be about right to take a boogie board, not really a surfboard. That's back in the other direction towards Punch. So this is really, really nice. Okay, you guys, I hope you're enjoying the view here. I'm about ready to grab my GoPro and get some footage. I'll grab the GoPro, get some footage to be edited later. I just didn't want everybody to have to wait until I was able to get back home and get a new laptop and edit that way. So that's why I'm using my phone for these videos in the meantime. Be back soon.